The 2025 Mazda CX-5 blends bold elegance with athletic curves. Brought to you by Berge Mazda. With its refined grille, sleek LED lighting, and available 19-inch alloy wheels, create a striking first impression. The Kodo design philosophy delivers a premium look that turns heads on every street. Under the hood, the CX-5 offers a choice between a responsive Skyactiv G 2.5-liter engine or a turbocharged variant for more exhilarating power. With active all-wheel drive now standard across the lineup, you get confident control in all conditions, backed by Mazda's signature handling finesse. Rear passengers ride in comfort with generous legroom, supportive seating, and available rear seat heating. The rear seats also recline slightly, offering a relaxed posture for longer drives. Fold-flat functionality adds extra cargo versatility. Crafted with premium materials, the CX-5's cabin feels refined and driver-focused. Available leather-trimmed seats, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and minimalist dashboard layout create a modern yet cozy environment. Standard iActive Sense safety features include blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, Mazda radar cruise control with stop and go, and smart brake support. Optional upgrades bring traffic jam assist and a 360-degree view monitor for added peace of mind. Stay connected with a 10.25-inch full-color display, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and available wireless charging. The available Bose 10-speaker premium audio system transforms every commute into a concert on wheels. With features like a hands-free power liftgate, dual-zone automatic climate control, and remote keyless entry, the CX-5 makes everyday tasks feel effortless. Available memory settings for the driver's seat add a personalized touch. Stylish, capable, and tech-savvy, the 2025 Mazda CX-5 is everything a compact SUV should be. Whether you're carving corners or cruising the city, it delivers premium vibes without the luxury price tag. You can view our selection at bergemazda.com. Give us a call at 480-498-5614 or visit our showroom today.